Do you love fishing? Listen to his story. Joe loves fishing, but despite his experiences, he is not always able to catch some fish. One day, Joe wanted to catch a black bass, but didn't have any clue where and how to catch it. When he decided to go, he caught nothing, and soon the weather got worse. Joe ended up coming home without catching a single fish and totally soaked. It was clearly not a good day for Joe. Next day, Joe was devastated, and he told his best friend what happened. "Why didn't you use WeFish?" The question changed his life. As soon as Joe downloaded the app, he found the solution to all his problems. He had not only discovered when the species in his area are most active based on time and which materials are most effective, but he also found a community of fishermen who learn together and share their experiences while they practice responsible and sustainable fishing. Now Joe has many fishing friends with whom to share moments and learn. What are you waiting for? Download it for free.